Hello friends, we are discussing about CMA US and CPA US. Actually सभी स्टूडेंट्स लोग प्रोफेशनल्स वांट टू डू these qualifications. उनको दिमाग में क्वेश्चन है ये मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, कितना टाइम लगेगा, क्या कॉस्ट आएगा, what will be the opportunities I will be getting, what is the ROI in the course, what are the job roles I will be getting, what is the syllabus content, what is the exam structure, which one is better for me. ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपके मन में होते होंगे. मैं इन क्वेश्चंस को in 10 points and D which will be very fruitful for you to decide in your career कौन सा कोर्स आपको करना है. The first thing, basic overview. So CMA US offered by Institute of Management Accounting US and it's a chartered management accounting from US, recognized in 140 plus countries, and good opportunities are there in India, Middle East and US, Canada. If we talk of CPA, then CPA is offered by American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. They are offering the CPA license in Delhi. For CPA, we need to study more as compared to CMA. Obviously, the opportunities are slightly better. Both are US qualification. The CPA Institute is established for more than around 200 years and have legacy of generating good chartered accountants which are recognized globally. You can see this is the overview between both the courses. The second thing, the function and the role offered by these courses. So CMA are getting roles as management accountant, strategic finance manager, finance controller, budget and forecasting analyst, FP&A role. These types of roles are offered to CMA US qualified. The CPA are getting the opportunities: senior audit consultant, audit manager, tax consultant, finance controller, FP&A roles also, regulatory compliance roles also. So you understand that in both the courses, what are the job roles and opportunities you will be getting, which role you want, which type of opportunity you want. Accordingly, you should plan. The third thing, eligibility criteria. For CMA US, you need to be 12 pass out. For giving the exam, for enrolling in the course, 12 pass out with any stream, arts, commerce, science, and 2 exams to be given, which will take 8 to 12 months to complete. You need to be graduate in any stream, but you can complete the course and start the course after class 12. In CPA, minimum graduation in account. Along with that, sometime other than accounting graduation, we require backup of masters or CA/CMA inter like that. Maybe with the help of accounting graduate, we can do the course by doing some bridge course. So in CPA, the eligibility requirements are more stringent. In CPA, you need to evaluate your qualification from NASBA. By giving the documentation to NASBA, they will evaluate, then you will be eligible for CPA qualification. So slightly, the eligibility criteria for CPA course is more stringent as compared to CMA US, which is easy to catch as compared to CPA, where more stringent eligibility criteria are there. The fourth thing, exam structure and duration. CMA exams are held 3 times in a year: Jan, Feb, May, June, September, October. Every 4 months, 3 months, first 2 months. Every 4 months, first 2 months. Jan, Feb, May, June, September, October. Any day, on demand exam. 2 parts, part 1, part 2. If you are serious, regularly study 2 hours, you will be able to complete in 8 to 12 months. In CPA, 4 parts exam, 4 exams, 3 compulsory and 1 optional. Out of option, there are 3 subjects one we need to select. The compulsory subjects are FAR, AMD, RH, and the optional subjects are TCP, BAR, any one of the 3. So since in CPA the number of exams are double, the duration will be approximately double. So in CPA, duration will be around 1.5 years, 18 months. So CMA US, 2 exams can be done in 8 to 12 months. CPA, 4 exams can be done in around 18 months. CPA exams are on demand every day. There is no window as such. You can give exam anytime when you are comfortable. But CMA exams are bi-monthly basis in a year, as I said, that is Jan, Feb, May, June and September, October. Now the course content and depth in the course. CMA course includes budgeting, finance, internal control, ethics, corporate governance, then IT, information technology, performance evaluation. That is those areas which are required in any organization at any domain. The CPA curriculum are more regulated, more depth knowledge of US GAAP, taxation, US laws, and knowledge of finance and IT also. So CPA curriculum is more and more regulatory, US based curriculum, rule based study as compared to CMA, which is an open-ended study which is relevant all over the world. Career scope and job opportunities. This is a very important area. What are the career options we will be getting by doing CMA and CPA? First of all, I am talking about, you can see, average salary package. In CMA, generally the jobs are available in India, Middle East, US, Canada, even other parts, but these are important areas. Similarly, I am doing comparison with CPA also. The job opportunities in India, Middle East and US. Normally as a fresher at an entry level or mid-level job, the CMA package is around 6 to 12 lakh in India. But for a senior level job, when you have work experience and then you are completing CMA, or after completing CMA you have 2-3 years of work experience, then in India we are getting 15 to 20 lakh per annum. In case of CPA, as a fresher, entry level jobs in India around 7 to 14 lakh. If you are a senior already having experience of at least 3-4 years, then the job opportunities will give you 18 to 30 lakh per annum. If we talk of Middle East, then the opportunities as a fresher based on CMA, $25,000 to $50,000. As an experienced holder, it is around $60,000 plus. If you see about CPA, then it is $30,000 to $60,000 as a fresher. And if you have some work experience, then it will be $70,000 plus. In USA, the salary for a CMA fresher is around $70,000 to $75,000. If you have experience, it ranges to $1 lakh plus. In case of CPA US, it is $80,000 to $1 lakh for freshers, and it is $1,50,000 plus for senior and knowledgeable experienced persons. Please understand that these are average package offered by different corporates in India, Middle East and US. These package depend upon your job location, your experience, and whether you have CPA license, CMA license, membership or not. So they vary, but these are the average package available. If you see what are the job roles we will be getting, by CMA we will be getting FP&A roles, we will be getting management accountant roles, we will be getting IT specialist roles, we will be getting internal control decision making roles. By CPA, we will be getting finance controller, we will be getting accounts, external accounts preparation, we will be getting compliance roles, we will be getting tax consultant, tax specialist. Those types of roles we will be getting by doing CPA. The top companies which are hiring for CPA and CMA in India, Middle East and US. If I will talk of for CMA in India and Middle East, it is all the big four: Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC. Then IT companies: Amazon, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture. Then FMCG companies: PepsiCo, Unilever, Procter & Gamble. Then you see airline companies: United Emirates, AI Futan, Saudi Aramco. Then there are, you can see, conglomerate companies: Tata Group, Reliance, Adani, Olam. Different companies are there which are hiring for CMA for different roles. In USA, the CMA jobs are in Johnson & Johnson, IBM, General Electric, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Amazon, Apple. These companies are hiring for CMA in US. If we talk of CPA, then obviously Big Four in accounting, auditing, taxation roles. That is Big Four in India. When they are serving to US clients, they will be offering these types of roles. In CPA for India and Middle East, it is Grant Thornton, BDO, RSM. They are also hiring for their US clients for their US related jobs. Gelpac, then Infosys, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. These companies are hiring aggressively to CPA qualified persons. If we talk of US for CPA, again all Big Four in US. Then which size CPA firms? There are endless mid-size CPA firms in US. They always demand CPA qualified license holder persons. The Securities and Exchange Corporation in their different types of regulatory matters for CPA. Even the different state governments in CPA and public sector organizations require CPA qualified CPA license holders. So there are quite significant companies in India, Middle East and US who are offering opportunities based on CMA and CPA qualifications. Who should choose what? इतना सारा बात करके सर अल्टीमेटली डिसाइड करना है किसको क्या करना चाहिए। भैया जिसको रेगुलेटरी एरिया में जाना है, टैक्स, रेगुलेशंस, कंप्लायंस, अकाउंटिंग अच्छा लगता है और उस फील्ड में जाना है, उनको सीपीए ही करना है। जिसको मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन मेकिंग, मैनेजमेंट को, बोर्ड मेंबर्स को हेल्प करना है डिसीजन लेने में, इंटरनल कंट्रोल, बजटिंग, प्राइसिंग, फोरकास्टिंग, ये सब में जाना है, दे शुड बी गोइंग फॉर सीएम। एक्चुअली मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एंड प्रोफेशनल्स कनेक्ट विद मी एंड सपोज समबडी इज वर्किंग इन ऑडिटिंग रोल, दे से दैट सर मेरे को ऑडिटिंग थोड़ा बोर लग रहा है, मेरे को अपना फील्ड चेंज करना है, तो क्या ना सीएमए कर सकता हूँ? वेरी वेल। सिमिलरली देयर आर सीएमए क्वालिफाइड और उनको लगता है कि मेरे को ऑडिटिंग और रेगुलेटरी एरिया में जाना है, सो कैन आई डू सीपीए? यस यू कैन। दिस कोर्सेज कैन बी डन along with your work, because when we are teaching in our classes, then 60% students are working professionals. So many of them are married also. They are working 12 to 14 hours. You can do, because paper-wise exam, it is not like Indian exam group structure, but you need to regularly study 2.5 hours. Otherwise, both these courses will not be possible, because these are competitive exams. Multiple choice questions are there, but they are very rigorous. If you don't study properly, it will be difficult to pass. But you don't need to study more than 2 to 2.5 hours. That's enough. Just that the timing for 2 exams in CFA will be around 8 to 12 months, and for CPA will be around 18 months. So my final recommendation doing this analysis for you all, first of all, decide about your career. If you are a student, in which area you want to go? If you are a professional, what is your interest area? And can you give some time to study? Can you give, along with your busy schedule, 2 hours regular study? That you should be going for this course. In CPA, the cost is double than CMA. In CMA, the cost is around 1.8 lakh for graduates. For undergraduates, around 1.5 lakh. This is, I am saying, including everything. But in CPA, the cost is around 3.8 to 4 lakh. So it is more than double. So if you have hiccups, risk, and you don't want to take so much risk, then my advice, do CMA, because there are many portions of CMA which are common in CPA. Get one qualification, start working, increase your earnings, and then go for CPA. Because if you have inclination, but you don't want to take so much risk, but if you are ready to take risk and you want to go into regulatory area compliance, then straight away go for CPA. We are in the education sector for more than 30 plus years and taught more than 2 lakh students. In the international courses, we have taught more than 20,000 students, and international courses we are offering for more than approximately 14-15 years. Students from all over the world doing our classes. The basic purpose is that if you have any question in your mind, even though this video is covering many aspects which you are thinking, but फिर भी आपके मन में कोई डाउट है कि भाई मेरे को क्या करना है, कैसे कर रहे हैं, कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, मैं कैसे करूं, सेल्फ स्टडी करूं, ROI मिलेगा कि नहीं, कोई भी मन में डाउट है, आप इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट करिए। और आपको कोई दूसरी चीज पे वीडियो चाहिए, कुछ और डिटेल चाहिए, आप कमेंट करिए, हम आपके साथ कनेक्ट करके आपको हेल्प करें। थैंक यू। गिव अ थम्स अप एंड प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स, दोज हु आर इन नीड, they want a proper guidance, and go to my YouTube channel. There are so many videos relating to study that you can refer. Not only this course related video, but hardcore teaching videos are there which will help you to understand the concepts, and maybe you can do self study also by looking at those videos.